to a very special episode of Shani and Fizoo's Adventure. Shani, where are we going on? Huh? Where are we? What are we on right now? We're on the train in Doha Qatar Airport. Tell us about the train, Shani. It's great. It's okay. I'll be all right.
Look, the train is moving in the airport.
Yeah, the train is moving in the airport.
Ooh, my first time.
What do you think about this train, Fizoo?
It's good.
It's good? Shani, what do you think?
Good. Now, what do you think? Good.
Are you exercising on the plane, Fizoo? That's funny. Shani, can you do the exercise too?
Still on.
Is this our stop?
Look, the doors are open.
What does it say? I think there's only one stop. All right, Shani, it looks like this is our stop. Shani, what do you have to say? Say it louder.
Please subscribe for channels.
Okay. I'll see you next time.
Videos and channels.
All right, Shani. Take care.
Like our channel.
All right. Bye, Shani.
That's the end of our story. Please subscribe for more channels.